Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix the Google AdSense account not active. This video will explain how you can reactivate a cancelled Google Ads account. Also, reactivating your Google Ads account is free and only takes a few steps. So when you cancel your account, all your active ads stop showing. When you reactivate your account, any ads or campaign that you left active will begin running again. Any ads or campaign that you pause will not run until you re-enable them. So if you delete your Google account before, you must recover your Google account. But you should keep in mind that if your Google Ads account hasn't been in more than 15 months, it will automatically be considered inactive and will be cancelled. Now, reactivating your account, make sure you have the administrative access. If you don't, you wouldn't be able to reactivate the account. Now that you are ready, follow this step to reactivate your account. So first you have to click on the tool icon in the top right corner, and then under setup, click preference, and then click account status section to expand it. Then click reactivate my account. Now your account status will change to active, and now you have successfully reactivated your Google Ad account. Now, some common reasons why this happens are because of no earning for a long time, AdSense not linked to a website, or account not verified. It could be due to policy violations, so you will have to just request the AdSense reactivation. And you can also contact AdSense support if needed. So that's it. This is the simple way through which you can fix your Google AdSense account not active. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.